Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got these. These are by Thaplay and they are some running shorts and I got blue ones. So we're gonna try these. I'll show you guys what they look like here. I got the little bit longer ones because I have a million shorter ones. So let's try the slightly longer ones here and see what these ones look like here. And so this is what it looks like here. It's nice and thin and soft, and it's got the little logo there. So let's try these on and I'll let you see how they fit. They have no liner on the inside, but let's aim you guys down a little bit. So this is it. I'm about 185 pounds. I got a little pocket here, which is nice, and they're very comfortable. They're nice fit and size. It's got a good bungee on it. It comes with a little string. I could tie it tight if I wanted to, and fits good. And inside, what I like about these ones here with some of the other Thaplay ones I got is it's got the little pocket here, so I could stick credit card or a little bit of cash in there if I'm gonna go for a run or a hike or something like that that I need to bring it with. I think it only had it on that side. And then, yeah, that's it. So, yeah, so it was good. Just on the right side, you got that extra little pocket in there. But I like these. These are super good, comfy. Can wear these wherever. And you got to see me change. How cool is that? So, thumbs up. I like them.